born in a nation, a country, independent country, after our birth, India. What we learned from our long life of 74 years, from my parents, my associates, my students, the most important thing for us to live longer, live happily, live cordially is to build our nation, to protect ourselves, and also how we can do it. Today's need is we have to have healthy people, healthy mind to think healthily, and to have healthy people around us so that we can have a cordial living, a long life, happily, and we can build a nation of like-minded people, and our nation can progress, and we will be protected by nature, we will be protected by people around us. Everything which is there in this country is abundant. Utilize this properly. Don't have extravagancies in the life. Extravagancies is from simple greedy nature to the extravagancies of utilizing the available people, nature, anybody is an extravagancy. So you have to live happily, healthily means that you should have healthy life, healthy mind, and healthy thinking for building this great nation, Bharat, my mother India. So love thy neighbor, I call it as it is to protect ourselves. Right. Now another thing is how we can achieve this. The first and foremost thing is we have to create a discipline in the people's mind and to explain why discipline is important in the life. One is discipline to protect our health. So you have to breathe. How to control your breath, how to make an exercise for your breathing, how you can breathe for a long number of years, right? So when you want to breathe and have an oxygen, so what is the environment you require? So love your environment for your own health, right? This is what I always think about it. So why you have to grow trees? Why you have to have clean environment? Why you have to have the healthy people around you? Why you have to say that I agree with you, but I would criticize you for your betterment? All these are for our self-protection. Right? Now, when we do a self-protection, we have to create a society, and we have to guide them with a vision. We have to guide them with a vision. Yes, let us do like this. You also will be protected, I also will be protected. So we want to live happy, healthy, without any problems, without creating any problems in our mind, to behave sanely and not to behave like insanes. Of course, in all our philosophies, lot of people will talk about the Shad Vairis, and all these Vairis we can conquer if you have a vision. What is the nature? How to utilize the nature for our good health? What nature, not only a nature which is moving around, the nature which is stagnant also.